we had the shortest IPL match so far in this tournament. Pretty one-sided affair between KKR and RCB. KKR got bowled out for a really low score of 84. So let's just dive into this one-sided affair. So Sharon, tell me about your hits and misses.
There are only hits as far as RCB is concerned. It has to be Mohammad Siraj because the youngster has been a little on and off in the squad, and in the last few outings he didn't have quite an impressive thing. But boy, what a match he had today, because it's not easy to come back into a game, that too against the Kolkata Knight Riders side, which is technically their home in Abu Dhabi, and then you're having 2 maiden overs and then picking 3 wickets and bulldozing the top order. For me the match was sealed right there. I mean, when your top order of a batting department fails, then there's hardly that anything that you can do, and that is the major concern the KKR has had, and exactly Siraj knew exactly what he had to do. Of course, he was well complimented by Yuzvendra Chahal, the seasoned hand. He knows exactly what's to be done. So keeping everything in mind, it was a complete package that we saw today from Mohammad Siraj. The Hyderabad boy has been brilliant, and of course he has to be the hits. Deepak, what about the misses?
Yeah, obviously, as you had already hinted, it's the Kolkata batting unit. I mean, the top order, especially someone like Shubman Gill, has not had a great run off late. He's had a couple of 50s, and more concerning is the form of Nitish Rana. I think he's had a really poor tournament so far, and they've also been trying to figure out their opening combination. They've played Narain, they've played Rahul Tripathi, they've played Tom Banton in the game or something. So I think now as we head into the business end of the tournament, so they really need to figure out how to get runs from the top order, because especially now that the wickets are getting slower, the most productive phase of a batting innings is going to be the first 6 overs. You need to maximize those first 6 overs. So it's a huge concern for KKR actually going into the last 4 matches of the tournament.
So we have a big match coming up, Rajasthan Royals versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm looking forward to a clash between the 2 Aussies, of course, Steve Smith and David Warner, because both have been the captains of their respective teams. Hasn't had that great an outing. It has been quite mixed so far. But of course, both teams have taken a learning from their past. They have learned a lot from their past, and that's something that they'll be looking forward to, because it's an important match for both of them. They can't afford to lose if they have to qualify for the playoffs. So keeping that in mind, it will be very interesting to see how the 2 Aussies actually plan their strategies, plan their knocks, because individually also they are very important for their teams, because David Warner normally opens the innings for Sunrisers Hyderabad. So for him, the start is very important. And as far as Royals is concerned, their batting has been quite a misfiring unit. So for keeping that in mind, Smith has to hold fort. But what about you, Deepak? What do you think?
Actually, I'll go the other way around. I think it will be interesting to see how the SRH batting unit, especially the top order, goes against someone like an Archer. He's been really good so far. He's cracking it up really nicely. He's been on the ball from the first ball of the innings. He's been able to hit some really high speeds. So, Besto has not really done well. Even Warner, he has had scores, but he's not actually had those rapid blitz knocks that we are used to from Warner. He's been quite very steady and somber so far. So I think if Archer can pick a couple of wickets at the top of the order, then you can have someone like Shreyas Gopal and Rahul Tewatia, like how they did against CSK, to control the innings in the middle phase. And the middle order is equally a concern for Hyderabad. Remember, you saw David Warner coming down the order in the last match, and Vijay Shankar hasn't scored much. Manish Pandey has been moved up and down. So it'll be interesting. A lot rides on Kane Williamson in that respect, actually, so how they tackle the threat from Archer to bowling.